All right, here we got a 2023 AGT. This is a QH13R Mini X. Clean rig. It's got a couple hours. I think it's got 10 hours on it. Shows very little signs of wear. Yeah, it's basically brand new, but not. I'll fire it up, show you how it operates real quick, and go from there. Quick demo. Come check it out Friday, the day before the sale is our preview day from 9 to 4. And any questions in the meantime, just give us a holler and we'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.